Alright, so I'm making a casserole, keto friendly casserole. In the pan here I have some ground beef and added half a can of Rotella, a little bit of salt and pepper, some seasoning salt, that's all in there. And I did some pre-prep on some cauliflower. All I did is boiled in that pan there. Just boiled it and then smashed it. So it's a lot better than, there it is, it's a lot better than, grinding it. It was just a lot easier. So in this I put 1 egg in this cauliflower mix, and I put a tablespoon of flax chai blend. And you'll see here, I'll put a little bit of garlic in there. And mix it up real good. And now we're moving along. So I'm sticking in the fryer, and you see it's kind of falling apart. I had to push down on them and put them in there a little more gently. I was being a little rough with them. And so I'm putting these cauliflower tots into the air fryer, and we are going to fry them in there for 400 degrees for probably about 12 minutes. And I'm just loosely chopping up some onions for my guacamole, and have some avocados, some onions, salt and pepper, some cayenne pepper, and lemon juice. And I like lemon juice, so I put like half of a lemon in there. And the rest of the onions I put in this pan here. And do you have problems with these cartons? I mean, maybe when I was a kid I was able to get these cartons open, but I fight with these cartons every time. So this is an 8-ounce heavy cream, and I end up using 2 of them. I just start with 1 here, and I use 2 for this recipe. So it's 1 pound of ground beef, can of Rotella. I could have used a whole cauliflower. I wish I did. I saved some back. So in there I'd put some salt and pepper and a pinch of thyme, and then here's my cauliflower tots. And I have some more cauliflower tots cooking because I couldn't put them all in there. So in my cream, again, I have salt and pepper, a little bit of thyme, and I had this leftover Parmesan cheese, so I put in there. And so I said, my extra other cauliflower tots are still cooking, and the cream is boiling down. It's reducing down, and then I add the 4 cheese Mexican blend, as you can see. And after you put this in there, you have to stir it really good. You want that cheese to melt in there and to become a sauce. And here we have the can of Rotella there. We're going to add what's left in the can right into the sauce. Now the only thing that has carbs really is that can of Rotella, which isn't too bad. And you see I filled the thing up with tots, my cauliflower tots. You could have had more in there. And now it's time for the good part. Oh, that cheesy sauce all over the ground beef and the cauliflower. This really turned out real good. We need to do this again. So then just spread the sauce around. Make sure the top's covered, because we're going to pop this in the oven. 350 for 15 minutes. Did good. A little bit more cheese on top. And into the oven it's gonna go here in a second. So then we just pop it in the oven, and yeah, it turned out real good. And there it is. It was real tasty. So if you like what I'm doing, subscribe and share this. Thank you.